Hi friends, my name is Advika. I am studying 5th class. Today's topic is areas and perimeters. The breadth of a rectangle is 45 meters and its area is 2475 square meters. Then its length is ఇక్కడ breadth ఇచ్చారు, ఏరియా ఇచ్చారు, లెంత్ కనుక్కోమన్నారు. Length is equals to area by breadth. Length is equals to ఇక్కడ ఏరియా ఎంత 2475 by 45. 5 9 45, 5 4 20, ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంటుంది, 5 9 45, 2, 5 5 25.